Hey RCers, we're back on the bench today and we have a new frame, roll cage, chassis, kind of all in one. And this is the start of a new project. Project's going to be a Formula off-road truck. Now if you haven't seen Formula off-road trucks, here's a picture of one. Formula off-road trucks are pretty popular in Scandinavia, where I like to run them there. If you haven't ever seen a video of one, just put in Formula off-road truck in YouTube, or check out Busted Knuckle or Mad Ram. They have become popular in the States also because they have traveled over here and raced with rock racers or rock bouncers in the South. Some of the rock bouncers you've seen. I completed a rock bouncer not too long ago. If you haven't seen it, check it out on the website or the channel. This is my little rock bouncer here called the Black Widow, all custom made. Just like this one will be all custom made. It will be using the Axial SCX10 motor mount and 4-link suspension system. We have that right now. We'll be using a brushless system with basically a hobby wing, waterproof 2S 3S LiPo BEC 5.8 3 amps 50 amp ESC. We have CNC black with red all metal axles. I use these in my rock bouncer. I really like them. I've had no problems with them. All I had to do was open them up, grease them up, tighten up all the screws, and so far so good. So I got me another set, and we're going to put those on this truck. We will be using these tires. These are Proline Sand Paws tires, 2.2. They are part number 105201. And the wheels that we'll be using are here. They are Revolver black wheels, RPM truck wheels basically. Here's the wheels, pretty much offset. Let's see, we'll put these on this way. And it's a pretty tight fit. Be looking like this. Looking pretty good actually. Those will be the tires. So keep in touch with the channel. I need to order some shocks. I'm not sure about the geometry yet. I don't know what kind of wheelbase I'm looking at. Right now I kind of got it set up for a 12.3 with these steel links, but I don't know. That's probably going to be pretty good. All right, so this is the new project, the Formula Off-Road Truck. Y'all have a great day. Stay tuned for more videos about the truck build and the truck run.